Yo, what's going on, EDM YouTube? We're back to Denver. We're here for Global Dance Music Festival, so we're gonna be doing a vlog. I think I'm just gonna be doing a day one vlog. I'm here with a few friends. A lot of people found out I was going because I just found out I was going last week. So I got a bunch of people that finding out that I'm going, and I think we're gonna do a meetup for day two. You probably won't see that in the video though. Maybe, depends how I feel. There's like a no GoPro policy, so I might just keep recording myself and I'll see how it goes. I am having brunch right now. We're gonna then grab some beers, head back to my friend's house, kind of pregame a little bit, and we're gonna head there super early. We got a lot of friends that we want to see today. It's gonna be super cool. And also, if you're just tuning in to my channel, you know, if you like this whole EDM stuff, you like the vlogs, go ahead and subscribe. I do these a lot, as well as the podcast episodes. And yeah, engage with this as well. Give it a like, whatever. All right, guys, enjoy the vlog. All right, we are ready to go. We got some fits. Also, the shorts are from IEDM. I'm hanging out with Eric, and we got Jordan in the back doing a little whatever the fuck he's doing. So GPS telling us we're like 40 minutes out, so we're gonna head there around 2:30. Oh, and we got a meetup tomorrow. So I don't know if I already said that. I might have already said that. But okay, on our way. All right, so we just parked. We paid $25 for parking. We were trying to park at the stadium, but you know, figuring that stuff out with the entrance, that's always really fucking hard. And I've been going here 3 years, and it's always hard. So I was parking in the same damn spot, just out there. Just somebody's just waving their flag, $25, no questions asked, beady boom beam bam. Anyways, it's just me and Jordan right now because homeboy forgot his cell phone, so he went to go back and get it. I'm like, you know what, man, there's no reason we all gotta walk back there. We'll just see you over there. But okay, let's go and check out how long this line is. Okay, so we're here. We're meeting up with a couple of our friends. There they are over there. I don't know if you can see them. We're doing the thing. Let's go check them out. Ah! This Northern Light stage, by the way. Ah! Look at everybody. Look how tall this guy has gotten. I know. Oh, I miss you, man. Oh, my gosh. Oh, hello. How are you? Okay, hugs all the way around. I miss you guys so much. Oh, it's Frisky live. Oh. Hi, my love. I love you so much. How are you?
I saw you from like a mile away.
I know. Hey, what's your name? Tell me.
Baby.
Sean, man. Welcome to the fucking vlog, my
Yes,
guy.
sir.
Hey.
Woo.
Let's go, Global 2022.
Yes, sir.
Baby. Woo. My boy. So Jordan's going to get water. Eric's gonna help me take some pictures for Instagram. We got beer. Wait, well, this is like a seltzer. We got food. We got water. We're ready to go. We're gonna go see Pause over at the Northern Light stage. Hey, welcome to the vlog again. We're doing the bit. Hey, how are you doing? Are you having fun, man?
Absolutely.
Go, go, go! Ah! machine make my drink. What the fuck? That's great. That's fucking great. That's amazing. I think it's called Tender Bar. Ah, look at it, Belle. Let me put this down for a second. Ah, I love her. Ah, I miss her. You guys might have seen it from Sunset Music Festival vlog. Maybe, I don't know. Jane, tell us about yourself. Having fun?
I'm having a blast.
Dude, you look great in this video. God damn. Hashtag no makeup. Hanging out with Jane. Back at it again. And her friend, Cecily. Cecily. Boy, I got the voice Stryer, fucking legend coming up. My guy. Ah, let's go, baby. Walking it up, experimental bass. That's G-Rex, okay? He just moved here to Denver. Oh, sorry about that. Hey! Hanging out with Mr. Hug right here. This is the original Hug.
This is my hero. I wish him the best in everything that he does.
This is Dylan Hug. Hit him up on Instagram. Send him those weird pics y'all keep sending me. What the fuck? Alright. So we're hanging out. All three of us right here. Waiting for her mom. Nah, we're not. We're just chilling. So we just saw Bronda. How you feeling, man?
Feeling great, dude. The guy was fucking awesome.
Here for 7 Lions. Just started. so that's the end of day 1. They were actually in day 2. I'm with Eric right now. Day 1 was a blast. Yeah, which is funny because I think I spent most of it like at the rail, which is so unlike me. But you know, yo boys, at the adventuring. But I don't know if I'm gonna give you guys some of the day 2 footage. If I do, it's gonna be right after this clip. If not, then thank you guys for watching.